right? Yeah, so let's get start our session. So in the last class we have completed uh, the operator increment and decrement operators, okay, and start writing the code and do by yourself, okay, do by yourself. Start writing the coding program, everything do by yourself, okay. This is very very important. If you don't know the Java, so there will be the issue in the automation testing. Why you are learning the Java? Because by using this programming language we are going to write the code in the Selenium to automate our web application, okay. If you don't know the basic knowledge of programming, then you can't automate the web application. And automation testing having the highest salary than manual testing, okay. So that's why you have to work in the manual testing for few years, 1 to 1 year, and then you have to implement after getting the all this knowledge of manual testing, all the documentation in the real time from the industry. Then you have to work on the go for the automations. Okay. If they are looking for the fresher in automation plus manual, then you can go for no problem for this interviews, because first of all we need to understand everything Java, then Selenium, then you can go for the automation interview also. Right now you need to go for manual, okay. Everything is ready, everything is available, okay. You need to go for manual, okay. So now let's start our session. In the last class we just started increment and decrement operator. Now today we are going to see the next operators, okay. What are the next operator? That is assignment operator, right? Assignments operator. Let us see assignments operator. Okay, this one I have already shared with you, no? So I am going to delete this one, right? I am going to delete this one. Already I have provided, no? Okay. So this in the last class we see increment and decrement operator. Let's see today fifth one, that is what? Assignment operator. Which day I have started data types operators. Okay, this one. So the day 10, save as. Okay. So today we are going to see the assignment operator. Okay, what are the assignment operators? These are the assignments operator. Okay, so these are what assignments operators. See, what are the assignment operators here are is equal to, okay, how to pronounce is equal to, plus is equal to, minus is equal to, multiplication is equal to, division is equal to, and modulus is equal to. Okay, so for every operators we can use the is equal to sign. For every operator we can use the is equal to sign, so that it is known as assignment operators, okay. That is what assignment operators. So now let us see what is the use of assignment operator. Suppose we are writing a is equal to, that a is equal to 1, it means that 1 is assigned, a double s i g, that means 1 is assigned to a variable, okay. That is assigned value. One value is assigned to the variable, a variable, right? Okay, or a variable is holding temporary storing, okay, temporary storing one value, correct? Okay, so this is what is equal to is what we can say assignment operator, where you, whenever you get this is equal to, that means what, it's a assignment operator. Okay, assignments operator. Okay, so now these are what plus is equal to, then what is the meaning of this one? Okay, is equal to we know, but plus is equal to, and what is that? So if you use here a plus is equal to b, okay, it implies that a is equal to a plus b. Okay, c, a plus is equal to b, that means a is equal to a plus b. So we are going to do the addition of a and b and storing to the a. Suppose for example a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. Okay, so now if you use this statement a plus is equal to b, okay, so what is the meaning of this one? We have a is equal to a plus b. So a is going to become a 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. What is the value of a now? A holding 30 now, okay, and b holding 20. Are you getting my point? Yes. Rest of all are same. Okay. A plus is equal to b. That means implies a is equal to a plus b. Means we are going to do the addition of 2 and then storing to the a. Okay. So here the a value of a is 10, and after execution this statement, so we'll get the value of a is equal to 30 and b is the same value, that is having a 20. Okay, there is a no operations performed on the b, means the value of b is still not change. Okay, but if we use like this way, b plus is equal to a, so here what is going to be happen, let us see now. Here b is equal to b plus a. Okay, that means b is equal to, what is the value of b? B is a 20 and now a is a 30. Okay, so here a, what is the value of a now? It is going to become a sorry, what is the value of b now? It is going to become a 50. So now the changes where is happen on b. Okay, so here the, after executing this statement, we have the b is equal to 50 and a is equal to same, that's we have 30. Okay, is there any doubt here? Yes, any doubt here? This is, those statements are very important. Okay, rest of all are same, just the value minus operators are different here. Plus minus is equal to like this way. Okay, b plus is equal to a, b is equal to b plus a. Okay, b is equal to b plus a. So the value of b is going to be become a 50. Now let us see the practical. Okay, going to create the session package new and package. Okay, day 10. Okay, so now let's create a source. What to create one class file. Okay, assignment operator. Okay, we use public static void main. Okay, just remove this one. Now can take variable. Okay, so what are the assignment operator that we have? Okay, these are what assignment operators, right? Just going to put here. Okay, so the compiler does not understand this one language, right? So because this is only for understanding for us, so that's why I'm going to put here the comment, so that the compiler is not going to execute this statement. Okay, compiler means interpreter. Okay, you know English, I know Hindi. Okay, then how we are going to communicate with each other? So there is a one different one that is known as translator. Okay, so what the translator is going to do? The Hindi language get the translator when the Hindi person is speak, the translator gets translate that Hindi language into the English language, and this those who know only the English language, he can learn, he can understand the English language, and he also can speak in the English. And then again he just go to the translator, and translator also compile or this one, and again it will be translated into Hindi. So there is a one mediator. Okay, so like this way we have also the mediator system. So this language is known for computer. Okay, we is also known for human. Okay, so human we need to write like this way, so the computer can understand this language. Okay, so that's why there is a one language we are writing this code. This is what Java language. Okay, we are writing the code into the Java language. So whatever the keywords and words are available in the Java, we have to use like this way. Okay, so the compiler means what here? Those who are going to execute. Okay, so he is not understanding this one. Okay, he's not understanding because in his vocabularies these words are not available. That was Java having the standard keywords and everything. That's why I'm going to keep here as a comments. Okay, if you comment this one, there is a no error now. Okay, so that's why this is also the language that is at the mediator. It's our compiler and interpreter. Okay, that is interpreter. Java compiler and interpreter is there. Okay, that is get converted, and then dot class file is get generated, and then we are going to interpret this one, and then you are going to understand by humans. Okay, so assignment operators. So now let us see here. This is a standard format for Java. Okay, class, public class, class name, and public static void main. Okay, and why we are going to write public static void main, then I will explain later. Okay, but this is not the right time to explain this one, how we, why we write like this way. Okay, in Java. Yeah, yeah, yes. Okay, now clear? Yes, now clear, no? Okay, now why is this clear? Okay, so here I am going to declare the one variable. Okay, I am going to declare one variable, that is what, integer a, and we are assigning the value to the a. So that means what, it is known as what, assignment. Okay, so value a, it's known as just a declaration. Okay, you can see this is what we are declaring the variable. Later we are going to use to store any value in this a variable. Okay, this is known as declaration. And now I am going to use here integer a is equal to 10. That means what, we are assigning the value of a to the 10. So now it's getting what, error. Why? You already declare the variable here, and the same variable you are declaring, and you are initializing the value. So what is the main correct syntax here? You just have to remove the int from here, and now this is the valid. You declare, first of all you need to declare the value of variable. A is what, variable. Okay, what is the type of variable? Integer. That means in this a variable only hold the integer value, only hold the integer value. Okay, and then next statement what is written here, that is assign the value to the a. Okay, here assign the value of, okay, here I have assign, okay, assign to a, assign value to a, okay, to a variable, right? So the same statement we can write like this way, integer a is equal to 10. So this is known as what, variable declaration and initialization. Okay, okay, declaration and initialization, or you can say the assignment. Okay, initialization. What is mean by initialization? Means initially you are giving the value to the variable a. Now this is okay. Okay, so this is what assignment operator we are going to use, is equal to sign we put. Okay, this is what assignment operator, right? So now again I'm just going to comment this one. So int comments means the programmer is not going to execute this one. Okay, the compiler is not going to execute this one, it's a skip. Okay, the line is skip. So whenever it get executed, so it will go to the line by line. First it is read, then it is read. Okay, so but these are the comments, so the pointer is not comes here. Okay, only one line is here. Okay, so pointer is come to the here, line by line it will get executed. Now int, suppose we return here is equal to 10. Okay, so the value is 10, and now I am going to use here this operators. Okay, plus is equal to, right? This is also known as a shorthand operator. Okay, shorthand operator. Okay, this is also known as a shorthand operators, right? Shorthand operators. Okay, you can check, this is also known as what, shorthand operators. I am giving in the notes also. Okay, shorthand operators we can say also. See, so here if you want to use your a plus is equal to b. Okay, so here what is the value of b? We don't have the value of b now. Okay, so that instead of b, just I am going to use here something 5. Okay, or you can use the b also, no problem, but we have to provide the value of b. Correct? Am I right? If you want to use a different variable, so we need to provide a value of b, value of that variable. Okay, that should be integer also, because we are declaring the integer variable, no? So here is what, value of a, you can see a plus is equal to 5. So what will be the value of a now? Can you tell me what is the value of a? What will be the value of a now here? Okay, here a is equal to, that is implies what, a is equal to a plus 5. Correct? A is equal to a plus 5. Correct? Right? Hello? Yeah. So what is the value of a? A is equal to a plus 5. What is the value of a? Here 10. Correct? 10 plus 5. Then how much? A is equal to 15. Correct? Correct? So let us I'm going to print that one. System dot out dot println. Okay, so let's I want to print the value of a. Okay, so directly just I'm going to printing the variable of a. So I'm not going to use here the double quote. Okay, that means current directly value of a is get printed. Okay, so just run the Java application and see the output is what, 15. Okay, so now something I need output in our format. Okay, so the value of a is equal to something I need. Okay, so here whatever you are going to write in this double quote, that is going to be print in the output console window. Okay, whatever in the SOP, whatever you are going to write in the double quote, okay, so that is going to be print in the output, right? So now here we need to print the value of a, so we need to concat here. Okay, so we use here plus sign. Okay, so instead of the plus a, the value of a is get printed. Okay, now let us see. Okay, so the value of a is equal to 15. Observe carefully up to the here in the double quote we written that one, the statement it is going to be print here, and then the 15 value comes from what, plus a. Plus means concatenating of the string with the value of a. What is the value of a? Currently it's holding 15. Okay, now the currently the value of a is get right now is the 15. Okay, now I am going to use a different statement. Okay, suppose integer b is equal to 20. Okay, or I want to use again the same thing. Okay, A is equal to A plus 10. Now can you tell me, sorry, here integer is not required, sorry, already integer int we have declared. Okay, so now in this statement what will be the output? Can you tell me? Here what will be the output now? Yes, what will the value of A in this statement? Yeah, yes, please. Here here is what? Here, here, yeah, here you will get 15 and here 5. How? You still get 15. Okay, now you can tell me here the value of A is what? 15, correct? Okay, and here we are writing A is equal to A plus 10, correct? Yeah. Now A is equal to what is the value of A? What is the value of A? How it? Ha, yes, it's a 15 and 15 plus 10. How much? 25. So here the value of A is get 25. Okay, because what is the current value of A here? Currently A is holding 15. So here the A is a 15. You forget this value now because we have current this value, latest value. We have to current value this one. So 15 plus 10, how much? 25. So the 25 will be the answer in the second SOP. System.out.println. Second SOP, the value of A is get 25. Correct? Now I want to use the same value, A value. That is what? Initial value is what? 10. I need to use the A value as a 10 in a latter statement. So this will be the conflicts. Okay? That's why the shorthand operator not use. Okay? If you need the initial value, if you need this initial value in our program last, okay, but at the end after doing such a operation, so it will be very difficult to use. Okay, that's why the shorthand operator not use. But if you don't want to use the initial value after performing the all operations, then you can go with shorthand operator or assignment operator. Are you getting my point? Because whenever we are going to perform this value on A, so value of A is get changed. Okay, again, so here is currently A is holding how much? 25. Okay, currently A is holding was 25, correct? So if you perform the any operations, okay, if you perform the any operation, so it will also 20, it will take only 25 that one. Okay, can see here. So what will be the value here? Value of A? Yes, what will be the value of A here? If I am using A minus is equal to 10, A minus is equal to 10, that means what? How much? Because it is performing the operation and it is going to store in the same value. Okay, because currently value of A is what? 15. What is the current value of A? How much? 25. Current value of A is what? 25, correct? Then A is equal to A minus T. We are storing this one. After performing, we are storing into the A only. Okay. So 25 minus 10, how much? 25 minus 10, how much? 15. Okay, so the value of a is going to become here 15. Okay, so because what is the disadvantage here? Whatever you are going to perform the operation, this is going to store in the single variable, same variable. And if you want to use the initial value, so we can't use the initial value in later. Okay, that's why this is what disadvantage. Okay, so now suppose I want to use here b is equal to 5. Okay, and if you write like b is equal to 5, so we are getting the error. Why we are getting the error? Now you can tell me. Why we are getting the error here? What I did mistake here? What type of mistake I did? Can you please tell me why I am getting such a error? Yes, I have not declared the data types. That we have the standard word. What? Data type. What is the syntax? Syntax is what? Whenever we are going to declare the variable, we have to declare here data type first. Okay? We need to declare the data type. Okay? Data type, then variable name. Okay? Or you can provide here the is equal to value. Suppose if you want to provide here the value, you can provide. This is our syntax. Okay? This is our syntax. Correct? You can write like this way, or you can provide the value like this way. This is our syntax. Data type first. You must have to declare the data type. For a declaring, we have to data type is int, and we already learned the data type. Correct? So use the proper word. We need to declare the data type first. What is the value? What will be the data type of b? What kind of the value is going to be stored by the b? We need to define, because the Java is what? Java is statical type programming language. So here we need to declare, that is what int I am going to declare here. Okay, integer type, then b is equal to 5. And now there is no error. Okay. Now we need to perform some operations. Assignments operator. Yeah. Suppose I am going to use b is equal to, sorry, b minus is equal to b minus is equal to 10. Okay. Yes. Now the value of b. Okay. Value of b is equal to, yeah, plus b. Yeah. What will be the output here? Yes. What will be the output here? It's gonna be 10. 10 b is equal to b minus 10. Huh. B is equal to b minus 10. So what is the value of b here? B is equal to what? 5. Then what will be the value of b? 5 minus 10, how much? 5. Huh? Minus 5. Minus 5. Bro, it's minus 5, na? Yeah. Minus 5 is different. 5 is different. Every digits that is having, we don't have the minus sign, na? So officially it's a plus sign. Okay? It's a plus sign. But we don't write a plus sign. It's a positive. But if you provided here the minus, okay? So here the big number is minus. So we use the minus sign, correct? 5 minus 10, that means minus 5 is the correct answer, right? Right or wrong? So here what will be the value of b? Minus 5. Okay. It's a minus 5, huh? Minus 5. It's give you, don't worry. Compiler give you minus 5. Because in data type we already learn. Range, you can see the data type. Integer data type, you can see the range. Range from something to minus something. Positive 3 4 something 0 0 to this one. If you remember, I don't know, are you remembering or not, minus range? Just I'm going to show you once again. No, don't worry. Okay. Data type. Sorry, day 4. See, so integer, you can see here the number gets started from what? Minus this one to this one. These all are the integer number, correct? This is the range. Okay, if you use the declare bytes minus 1 to 8 to positive 1 to 8. Okay, so this is cover. Okay, this is the range. This is the range minus to positive. Same number you can see. Minus 2147 to positive 2147. Correct? Like this way. Okay. 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 Just I was showing the number, positive number, minus number, that is comes under the integer number. See the range. Okay. This is the range, integer type value minus some this one to positive this one, minus 2147. See 2147 up to here. Okay, that is accepting integer value. Okay, every numbers having the positive, negative to positive, this one. Okay, not hearing. Shruti, hello. हेलो, श्रुति आवाज येत आहे? ओके. Yes, sir. ओके. Yes. Okay. So the range is already available. Okay, that is comes on the minus sign. Minus. You see the minus. Okay. Yes. Minus integer. This is from minus to positive. Correct. This is storing this sign. So then next one I'm going to use which one? Okay, then plus minus in remaining operators use. Can see here. Integer c is equal to something that we have. Okay, 20, and c into is equal to 2. Okay, so now what will be the answer here for the c if I want to print the value of c? Okay, if you want to print the value of c, so what will be the output here? Yes, c is a 20. C asterisk is equal to 2 means what? C is equal to C into 2. Correct? Asterisk for what? Multiply. So what will be the output here? 40. Correct. So you can see the value of C. Okay, you can see the value of C is equal to 40. Correct. Then again I am going to use this one, dividation operator. So this one is completed, right? This one is completed. This one is remaining. Dividation and modulus. Okay. So now suppose can use here something x is equal to 10, or you can see the 100, and here x divide is equal to, okay, by 2. That means what? X divided by 2. Correct. X is equal to, the value is going to store there, x divided by 2, right? Means x by 2 value it gets stored to the x variable. Correct. So x divided by 100 means what? X is 100 divided by 2 means how much? Yes, 50. Okay. And suppose if you have 101, then that I have already explained what is dividation and what is modulus. Now suppose you have 101, suppose, and you are going to divide by 2, then what will be the output? What is the output in dividation and what is the output in modulus? Hmm? Yes. Okay. 50.5. Okay. 50.50 something. Correct? Yes. Slim. Yeah. Correct or not? So both correct. Says right. Okay. But what is the type of X? X is storing the 50.50. What is the type of X? What is the data type of X? Yes. What is integer? Can integer store the decimal number? This is what float, no? We are getting the answer in the float, correct? Right or wrong? We are getting the answer in the float, correct? And our data type is what? Integer. Then integer only store the integer value, not decimal value, correct? Only this one it is going to be stored, correct? Then output will become a 50 only, that's it. Right or wrong? Not 50.50. Yes. If you want to see the output, you can see the output. See the output, correct? Right or wrong? If you want to take here the 100, it also will get a 50, correct? See 50 answer. If you want to use here 103, then what will be the correct output? 103 divided by 2 means how much? How much? Yes. 103 divided by 2 means how much? Hello. Hello. 103 divided by 2 means how much? Hello. Yeah, are you there? Hello. Are you there? Hello. Yeah. So 103 divided by 2 means how much? 10
130, 60. 103 divided by 2.
how much?
51.
Okay, so here you will get 51, correct? This is a
Yes.
51.50 na. We'll get here 50, 51. Okay. So now, so the part is what if you have, if you want to use to divide, okay, and what is the difference between the mod and dividation? Okay, see here, what is the divide? Suppose if you have 5 divided by 2, correct? In programming, that means what we are getting the answer here. So 2, so 5. Okay, 2 to the 4. Okay, then what is reminder here? 1. Okay, so this is the dividation. Okay, and this is the reminder. Are you getting my point? So in the programming 5 by 2 you will get answer is 2, and if you use 5 mod 2, how much we are getting here? What is the reminder? That is what? 1. Okay, this is what modulus and this is what dividation. Okay, this is very important concept. We are not going to fully divide, means 1 minus 2.25 divided by 2 means 2.5, not. Okay, dividation, here we will get a dividation, and modulus we will get a reminder. Okay, same thing, 101 divided by 2. What is the reminder? What is the dividation? Is a 50 is the dividation and reminder is 1. Okay, 101 divided by 2, correct na? 101 divided by 2 means how much? What is the dividation? Dividation is what? 50, correct? Then here is 100. And what is the reminder? 1 is reminder, correct or wrong? Okay, this is what dividation and this is what reminder, correct? So that's why we are getting the output is 50, correct? Are you agree? Got it? Yeah, good. Slim, you got it? This one? Hello? Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, okay. You got it this one point?
Not quite clear.
Okay, for dividation and for modulus.
Yes.
Suppose,
Repeat it real quick, please.
suppose I am writing here, see, if I am writing here integer a, or you can writing here integer a is equal to 5 by 2, or you can write like this way. Okay, so what will be the answer here? What will the answer here?
Divided by 2.5.
2.5 is the answer, correct? But a is what? Integer or float?
It's an integer.
That means store only the integer value, not float value, correct?
Yes.
So what is the integer value on the 2.5?
Oh, that's what I was about to ask. Do we write number? Do we round them up or no?
Okay, this is the answer, correct?
Yes.
A is holding the only the integer value, correct? So what is the integer
Yes.
value in from the 2.5? What is the integer here and what is the
We gotta round
uh,
the integer is a, right? Because that's supposed to hold
yeah,
the value of a. Should be integer, but it
A
holds the
only store the whole number, that's it. A
yes.
can only store the whole number because the data type is integer. What is the data type of integer?
Yes.
Data type of integer, that means store integer value only. Okay, it will store the whole number, correct? Integer data type only store the whole number. Float and double store the fractional number, correct? Fractional number, correct? Those have the decimal point, right? So now here is a 2.5 and a is a type of integer. A is a type of integer, correct? So if here holding the 2.5, that means it is going to store only integer value, not decimal value. So can you tell me which is the integer value and which is the decimal value from the 2.5? Which is the integer value and which is the decimal value from the 2.5?
2 by itself is the integer, but then if you put the 2.5, you make it decimal.
2 is integer, that's it. Okay? And 0.5 is the decimal. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
We need to segregate like this way. 2 is integer, 0.5 is decimal, is equal to how much? 2.5, correct? Right or wrong? Is it okay?
Yes.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
now 2 is an integer, that means it's only hold a 2 value because it's an integer. And 0.5 is what? Decimal. So decimal cannot store in integer because a is an integer type, correct? So ultimately
Yes.
the a is going to hold only 2. So here the value of a is 2 only. Yes.
Yes.
Then if you use here the 6, then the value of a is going to become a 3. But if you use here the 7, then value of a is going to become a how much?
4.
4. How?
If you divide 3, it's going to be 3.5.
So
So
here
it's going to be 3.
2 3s are 6. Okay, correct.
Yes.
So here is like this way. So this is known as dividation. Okay, this is what dividation is going on. Okay, and this is known as remainder. Remainder means modulus. Okay, this modulus is what? This sign, percentage sign. Okay, mod means remainder here. So not completely dividation, it's not going to completely divide. Okay, so because this is integer 2 by 3, okay, 2 divided by 6, 3, 2 3s are 6, 7 minus 6 is 1 remainder. Okay, so if you write the statement 7 by 2, you will get the 3 answer. If you write the 7 mod a is equal to 7 mod 2, so you will get the answer how much? That is what? 1. It's a reminder, correct? Yes,
Yes.
7 mod 2 is reminder because a is a integer number.
Yes.
This is the difference. Okay, this is the difference. That's the dividation and modulo. This is and this points is already I have explained the where arithmetical operator. Okay, this already I have explained. Please go through that video, arithmetical operator. Right. So now I am going to use here the dividations. Okay, and this dividation, that is what I have used here like this way. Okay, so now suppose I want to use here going to make here the 101, the still I am getting here 50. Okay, the value of I get I am 50 and now I am getting here the error because this one. So let me,
Hello?
yeah, yes,
Good one again.
hello,
Voice again.
huh? Okay, so value of A is 50. Okay, so this is division. Now let's see the modulus also. Suppose we have y is equal to, y is equal to suppose 100, then we put here the y mod is equal to how much you need to write 2. Okay, suppose, then what will be the value of y here? Y is equal to, this is implies y is equal to y mod 2. Okay, let's print the value of y. Tell me, what is mod? I have already explained right now. What is mod? Y is equal to suppose 100. The y mod is equal to 2. That means y is equal to y mod 2. Mod means, I have already explained. Mod means reminder. Okay. What is mod? Mod is reminder. So if you have 100 divided by 2, what is the reminder? What will be the reminder? Yes. What will be the reminder?
So 100 divided by 2?
You can tell me now.
0.
Yes. Correct. Now you got the answer. You got it, man. So what is the reminder? Here you will get a 0 because it successfully divide. Correct? You will get here what? 0. Successfully divide. Correct? Yeah. 101. Then what will be the reminder here? Y mod 2. Then we will get how what?
It's gonna be 1. The reminder is gonna be 1.
Yes. So divide by, so dividation is 50 and reminder is 1. Correct? See, this is what 2 and 2 is a 50. Okay. So here is 100. Okay. Then we will get the 1. So this is dividation. Okay. This is dividation answer. This is the dividation and this is what? Reminder. Okay. This is what? Mod. This is mod and this is what? Dividation. Okay. Got it? Here this is dividation, you will get this one, and this is reminder, you will get like this way, but we will not get the 2.5. If you divide by 5 by 2, you will not get the 2.5. You will get the 2 as a dividation answer and you will get the reminder as a 1 rem. Okay, reminder. Okay, not 2.5 in programming. Okay, because this is integer you have declared there. Got it? Okay, so these are what assignment operators, shorthand operator you can say. Okay, what is the doubt here? We have only just single variable to store the operations value. Okay, after this operation we are going to also store in the that same variable. We are performing the operation and storing the single variable. This is a disadvantage. But if you don't want to use this same operator in the next, ah, okay, no problem. We are going to stop here. श्रुती, तुला आवाज येतो का माझा? श्रुती, आवाज क्लिअर आहे का माझा? इज माय व्हॉइस इज क्लिअर फॉर यू? नाही येत आहे माझा आवाज? ओके ओके, फ्रॉम माय साइड इट इज अ मिस्टेक शायद. There is no clear sound from my side, she is also saying. Okay, we gonna stop here, right? With this concept is completed, you can go through video sessions also.